Hey guys, Jonathan here. This is a completely unexpected video, but I figured I'd do one just for fun.
Can't argue with that.
I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So there's this little strip thing at the top. And inside, so I ordered 2 different skins. Did I order 3? These are what the skins look like, more or less. So they're basically heavy duty stickers in like the nicest way possible that I could say that. So that was a silver color. This is more of a blue. The carbon fiber blue is different. It has sort of a pattern on it, and I'm sure it feels different. This is the white one, and I don't know how I feel about this because it looks like the most plain sticker known to man. It looks like you could just draw whatever you want on this, and you could just personalize your own skin. And I just don't know how I feel about it yet. Maybe it looks super great. I just don't know. He also gave these extra camera cutouts, and they gave a blue one too, but no silver titanium color. I'm not sure what this is called. I really don't remember. But they gave no extra for this. Don't know why. Maybe I will mess up on the blue, maybe I'll mess up on the white, but somehow I will not mess up on this, apparently. I don't know, but they did make up for that by sending 2 fiber cloths. I don't know why they sent 2. I only need 1, but thank you anyways, dbrand. And then they also sent this little package thing that just says this. I am so bad at my camera angles. Purchase, delivery, apply. And the website just takes you to a bunch of videos about how you apply the dbrand skin. And if all goes well and you follow the instructions correctly, your phone should look something like this. Not bad. So that is it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.